Here we are, back up in Nerdland. Trying to go faster. A little faster. I decided to go for a little bit of a bike ride after getting off the bus. I don't know what the hell. Nice day. Super duper nice day. So I had to make my trip to Boulder kind of pay off here. Get off at the high school and then I gotta see that. Yeah, you get off at the high school and then you just go up this way. So it just cuts out all that going through the town Nederland up that first hill. La-di-da-di-da. Super nice day. I hope it looks like I'm going fast.